Hello there. My name is Tracell. I am an adult doll collector. I love all things 1/6 scale. I love miniatures and I also love me some Barbie dolls. And I am exploring Mattel's pre-order release of Harley Quinn and Poison Ivy. You can pre-order these dolls at Mattel Creations. You do need to be a member of the club for $9.99 a year, but you can order these dolls 2-day pre-order and they're going to ship out late November. So today I'm diving deep in the world of Gotham City to meet one of the most iconic warriors, Poison Ivy. This isn't just any doll, this is a collector's dream, okay? Brought to life with real stunning design detail by Bill Greening and Stone Procaccino. I don't think I'm enunciating that right, but I did do my best. So at any rate, check out this gorgeous chlorophyll color skin, a perfect nod to the plant-based DNA. Every detail here screams Poison Ivy. From her verdant eyes to that fierce expression, you can really feel her hybrid nature just looking at her. Gorgeous. Take a look at those eyes. Green, sharp, mesmerizing, capturing the essence of her connection to nature. This beautiful Lena face sculpt really brings out her elegance and power. I absolutely love the Poison Ivy character on Batman. She's like one of my favorites, and this doll does her every bit of the justice that she deserves in this beautiful face sculpt. The Gold Label collection has really outdone itself with this superhero body type, giving her an authentic and empowered look. For the intricate leaf detailing to the posable superhero form, she's truly a force of nature. And for collectors, this Barbie doll does come with a certificate of authenticity, ensuring that you're holding a genuine piece of art in your hands, okay? So, what do you think about this Poison Ivy doll? Is this above bar or below bar? Is it a pass? Are you a DC collector like myself? Although I am DC and Marvel, like I do both. I love them both. So I can't like pick one over the other. Just drop down in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are on this doll. Okay, I'm open for a healthy discussion. So this doll is available again at mattelcreations.com for members for $55. So if you don't have a membership, you will have to pay the $9.99 for the Barbie Club 59 digital membership. That is annual. So you're looking at about $65. But again, she's $55 for those who do have a membership. And yeah. So I'm not sure. I do want to order her, but I already have ordered so many dolls. So I'm still thinking. I'll let you guys know what I've decided, eventually as I make a choice. So there. Knock, knock. Guess who busting through the door? It's none other than the clown princess of crime herself, Harley Quinn. She's that girl. She is everything. She already has been pre-ordered. She's my favorite. I absolutely love, love, love Margot Robbie as Harley Quinn. And yes, she needed her own movie, honey. Yes, she brought her mallet. She's here for the fun and her crime. Like, I love her, love it, love her outfit, love the hair. Like, she is a force to be reckoned with, a must-have doll, at least in my opinion. So yes. Designers Bill Greening and Stone Procaccino did an amazing job blending her modern look with a little classic Harley flair from her superhero body type and the BB face sculpt. This Gold Label doll is a perfect tribute to everyone's favorite mischievous villain. Oh my goodness. I love her so much. Like, I'm so biased, like it's not even funny. And collectors, don't worry. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, of course, letting you know that Harley is legit. I'm just in love with her. Like, I had to have her. So this doll is available on MattelCreations.com for $55 with that annual membership that I was talking about earlier. And as I mentioned before, there will be some quantities available at Target, Walmart, and at Amazon. And I do believe the price would be just a little bit more than the $55 price point that is available at Mattel Creations. So that's just something to keep in mind. But I do want to know who is interested in these dolls. What's your thoughts on them? Is it a buy or pass? Is it a yes or no? Just leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. And then I also thought, like, if you did have those Barbie the movie dolls, that because the dolls do look like Margot Robbie, and you're good at face painting or customizing your dolls in that effort, you could take an opportunity to build your own Harley Quinn doll and go from there. I'm not good at it, so I'm not going to attempt it, but I would love to see anyone else who is. So if you did like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. I would love that. And also, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring that notification bell. And I will definitely appreciate that. For those who are already rocking with me, I love you guys so much. And then if you are interested in content like this, just check the video that I have popping up on this window right now, and you will definitely, see my next video on that. But until the next time, guys, bye.